All right, so y'all, this is a question out of the homework from 5.1, and the student got the question right, but they had a couple of questions about it, so I just kind of want to go over this here. So let's see, it says, find the probability of Z occurring in the indicated region. Okay, so I want to show you the region that we're looking at. It's obviously this region right here. So there's a couple of ways we can do this, okay? So the first way I'm going to show you guys is using our calculator. And so y'all, before I've told y'all that the calculator is going to be like your best friend, right? So, hey, bestie, right? Your calculator is going to be your bestie here. So on the calculator, we're going to use something called the normal CDF. I'm going to show you how you're going to do this, okay? So guys, whether you're using like a TI or you're using one of those calculator apps that we've talked about, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to hit the button that says second, and then we're going to hit the button that says VARS or VARS, and then we're going to look for something called the normal, and I'm going to show you this on the calculator too, y'all, but I just want to write this out. The normal CDF, okay? When we do the normal CDF, we're going to have two numbers. The first number is going to be our lower number, and the second number is going to be my upper number. So if you look at this problem that we have here, the lower number we're dealing with is 0. The upper number I have, I circled it a little bit too much. The upper number I have is 1.5, okay? Or 1.50, however you want to write it. So when I'm going to do this on my calculator, this is exactly what I'm going to go. Second, VARS, normal CDF, 0, 1.5. So let me show you, where's my calculator? It is right here. I don't want to review it right now, but I do like it. So let me clear that out. Let's give it a 5-star review. It's my bestie. Okay, so we're going to go second, VARS, normal CDF. Look, y'all, it's the second one. And do you see how it says lower bound, upper bound? And then it has that mu and sigma. We don't have to worry so much about the mu sigma, but the lower bound, upper bound, we are going to enter in. So we had 0, comma, 1.50. We could just put 1.5, right? And then we're going to hit enter, and we're coming up with 4.33. I would round that 1 to a 2, since the number directly to the right of it is a 9. So 4.32, and if you notice, that's what the student entered in, and they got it right. Okay, so this is one way you can do it. Using the calculator, like I said, y'all, calculator is going to be your bestie, right? Second way you can do this problem. So let me pull up the same problem that we had. Here it is. And let me go like this. Okay, so the second way I can do this, y'all, is using my tables, okay? So if I'm going to use my tables, the one thing I want to emphasize, the table always tells me the area to the left, okay? So what I want you to think about, and I'm going to kind of pull up the same picture that I had before, so I'm going to go like this. Let me do this number. All right, here we go. So my table is always going to tell me the area to the left. Since we're trying to find this area right in here, this is how we're going to do it. We're going to say, let's find the area to the left of 0, right? So we're finding that. And so the way I would do that is, guys, one thing you can do, you can click on those links right there. But I did provide you guys with the tables as well. So let me pull that up for us so we can take a look-see. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Statistical Tables is right here. Okay, so, is that the one I was looking for? Where is it? I don't know if this is the right one. Yes, it is. Here we go. Okay, so remember, the first number we had was at 0, right? So back and I look at my thing here, it was at 0. So when I pull my table, if you look right here at the top, the first number here is 0, and then the second one, let's see if it lets me write on here. I don't think it will, but I'll tell you what I'll do. Let me take a quick screenshot. Boom, let's keep that. And we will just upload it over here so we can do it. There we go. Okay, so if you look right here, it's 0. This is the part that I have to look at. I'm going to look at where these two meet. So the area to the left of 0 is 0.5. So when I come back over here, I know this area here, y'all, is 0.5. Now, I want to find the area to the left of 1.50. But notice, look what I'm looking at now. I'm looking at all of that business, right? So I'm going to come back to my table, 1.50. So 1.50 would be right here, 0.9932. So then I say, okay, look, if this area here was 0.5 and this area here was, oh my gosh, I already forgot it, 0.9932, 9332, sorry. Now, if I'm looking to find this area here, this part, what I need to do is need to take 0.9332 and subtract 0.500, and we come up with 0.4332, which is exactly the same answer that we got right here using our calculator, right? So y'all get to decide, do y'all want to use my calculator? Do y'all want to use the table? It's really up to you. You're going to get the same answer either way. Some people like using the calculator better. Some people feel a lot more comfortable using the table. You really get to decide how you want to do it, okay?